following breaking news on the Ray Tenzing murder trial. It took just one day for a jury to be seated.
And today, the prosecutor opened jury selection with a bombshell. 9 on your side anchor Tanya O'Rourke is live outside the Hamilton County Courthouse right now. Tanya, what have you learned?
All right, here's what I've learned. Just a little bit ago, I got a text message from Hamilton County Prosecutor Joe Dieters. He says tomorrow morning, as you said, the jury is seated. Tomorrow morning, first thing, they will take a field trip up to the location where Sam DuBose was shot and killed. They will see that scene. Then they will return here to the Hamilton County Courthouse, where they will then hear opening statements from both the prosecution and the defense. Now, let's talk about this jury. We know that there are 2 African-American women, 4 white women, 6 white men, and then the alternates are 4 white women as well. Now, we've also learned some startling new information about what led up to Ray Tenzing, Officer Ray Tenzing, allegedly stopping Sam DuBose's vehicle. We've been told all along that it was because Sam DuBose's vehicle was missing a front license plate, but today we learned that may not be the case. I'm joined now by 9 on your side reporter Tom McKee. Tom, this is some new information.
It caught everybody in the media room up in the courthouse a little bit off guard. The comment came from Stu Matthews, as Stu Matthews was questioning a juror about the juror's comments on the jury questionnaire that was filled out last week. In it, he said he believes that police selectively target the poor and minorities for minor traffic offenses. The moment Sam DuBose was pulled over in July 2015, the official story was that the vehicle he was in didn't have a front license plate. But defense attorney Stu Matthews shot down that version Monday as he questioned potential jurors.
I'll tell you right now that the evidence will show that that's not the reason, the primary reason that Ray Tenzing stopped Samuel DuBose. But it was a more serious situation than that.
Matthews wouldn't give any further details. Prosecutors have always said the shooting was murder, a purposeful killing, and the defense isn't challenging that.
This isn't a whodunit, and it's not an accident. It's a case where the defendant himself admitted that he purposely caused the death of Samuel DuBose.
It is not a whodunit. We know who caused the death of Sam DuBose, and that's Ray Tenzing. We aren't denying that.
Instead, Matthews says Tenzing feared for his life and fired in self-defense.
We are saying that Ray Tenzing was justified in causing the death of Sam DuBose. So in a sense, we do have to convince you of that.
If the defendant wants to assert an affirmative defense, does everyone here understand that that burden of proof is not on us, it's on him?
Judge Megan Shanahan wants to make sure that the facts in the case, not skin color or anything else, are what lead to a verdict.
In arriving at your verdict, can each of you lay aside such matters as race, religion, or sympathy? None of these must have any effect on your deliberations in this case.
And that sets the stage for Tuesday morning. As Tanya, as you've mentioned, scene visitation, opening statements. This thing could wrap up very, very quickly.
Joe Dieters said last week to me he felt it could take maybe a week, maybe 8 days. It still would surprise me, but maybe not in this case. All right, Tom, thanks so much. Of course, 9 on your side is committed to bringing you gavel-to-gavel coverage of this trial. We're going to have live coverage on air. Of course, we're streaming it on WCPO.com and on Facebook Live. You can join us there with review from legal experts. And WCPO.com/Tenzing trial, well, that is the place where you can find all the information you need, background information on this trial, the players involved, etc. Our team of 9 on your side reporters and I will also be here every day until the jury reaches a decision. My colleague Chris Riva will be here in the morning as well. And from the Hamilton County Courthouse, I'm going to send it back to you in the studio.